Latitude we labeled our x. So this 48 is my x. So I'm going to rewrite my equation. Y equals negative 1.07 times x, which is 48, plus 92.87. And then we get y equals. Type the right side in your calculator. And we get 41.51. We need a unit. That is your temperature, so that is degrees Fahrenheit. We good? Guys, is this accurate? Or is it just a prediction? It's just a prediction. Okay? We would think it's going to be accurate, but is all data perfect and follow predictions, follow a trend? Not necessarily. Okay? I cannot stress this enough. Clear your calculator before we do another one. Okay? If you leave it in, it's going to mess up. How do we clear the calculator? Very good. Okay, second plus 712. So we're all doing this with me. We're now going to do number 2 together. Go to Stat, hit Enter. Passengers is my X, suitcases is my Y. Again, your 2 columns should line up. Okay, they should be the same length. What do we do now? Directions are up at the top. What do we do now? Stat, then arrow over to calc, then linear regression. You can either then hit 4 if you would like, guys. Then it goes to this screen, and then you hit enter until it gives you your values. Okay? So, y equals, what's my m? Okay, does a 9 round a 7 up? Yes, 98. There you go. X plus, my B is 7.9. Does a 6 round a 6 up? So it becomes 9.7. Okay, now we're going to make a prediction of 250 people. Is that your X or your Y? That's your X. So I'm going to do Y equals 1.98 times 250. I don't know why I put a decimal. Sorry, 250, not 2.50. Plus 7.97. So 1.98 times 250 plus 7.97. And we get y equals 502.97. Okay, what does y represent, guys? Number of suitcases. Can you have 0.97 of a suitcase? No. So this answer can't be what we have it as. So what should we say? How many suitcases? 503 suitcases. Or I'll put just bags. You cannot have a decimal of a suitcase. You can't have a decimal of a person. So when you get your answer, you might have to round it to the nearest whole number. Okay? After Leo goes. Are we good? Do we feel like we are ready to do our homework? There's 3 of these that you have to do on your homework. Do you have to have a calculator? Yes. So I would make sure, we have 21 minutes still left. You need to work productively. If you do not get these done,